Always be careful and cautious when using knives. Knives are very sharp and can cause injury, so always handle them with care. Take the strawberries out of the yellow container and put them on the cutting board. Cut the strawberries with a knife. Use a spoon to scoop the strawberries from the blue container and place them all in the green container. Please put yogurt in the green container. Insert the ice cream bar handle into the container filled with yogurt. Please place the ice bar in the freezer. Close the freezer door and wait until the ice bars are sufficient. Open the freezer door, take the container with the yogurt bars out onto the cutting board, and pull out a stick to check if it is frozen properly. I finished making strawberry ice pops.